everyone, hope you all are doing good. In my last video I showed you how to make palak pakora, spinach fritters in air fryer. It turned out so delicious and many of you tried my recipe and shared pictures with me. I'm so grateful and thankful for all the love and inspirations. Today I'm going to show you how to make falafel in an air fryer. This is very simple and flavorful. It's originally deep fried and a common street food in Egypt, served in pita pockets and wrapped in a flat bread. Chickpeas or chole are so popular both in Mediterranean and Indian cuisine. So keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me.
Take 1 cup of dry chickpeas.
Usually falafel is made out of dry chickpeas and not boiled chickpeas or canned chickpeas. The original recipe calls for dry chickpeas. Just soak it overnight or for 24 hours, drain, rinse and grind it in the food processor. But I had some boiled chickpeas with me which I cooked in Instant Pot, and I'm in a mood to make falafel out of those boiled chickpeas.
As part of my meal prep, I usually soak chickpeas overnight and cook it in Instant Pot for 15 to 20 minutes and let the pressure release naturally. Make sure to drain the water and keep it completely dry. Since I have the leftover boiled chickpeas, I'm going to make use of it. You don't have to boil, you can directly grind after soaking the chickpeas. See how well they cook in Instant Pot? I'm cutting 1 large onion. The more onion you use, it's better. If you have small onion, use 2 onions. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. Just smash it under the chef's knife. Easy to peel and it opens up the flavor. Now chop it up and keep it aside. Also take a small piece of ginger, peel, cut and keep it aside.
Adding ginger and garlic to chickpeas, any kind of beans for that matter, it will help with your digestion, and it has a higher antioxidant capacity, so that's why I'm adding ginger. It's completely optional. If you want to avoid ginger, you can do so, but I'm just adding it. Do try it. You might like it. You might like that little kick of extra ginger in falafel.
Now I'm taking 2 green chilies for some extra heat. I love the spicy flavor, and 1 whole bunch of cilantro. You can also add parsley along with it. All this goes into my KitchenAid food processor, adding 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. In goes 1 large onion, ginger, garlic. Chopping helps to grind the ingredients evenly inside the food processor. Adding 2 green chilies and 1 whole bunch of cilantro or coriander leaves. You can also add parsley along with it. To this, add 3/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan rock salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 whole lime juice for tangy flavor. All set, snap it and ready to rock and roll. Do not add any water. Make sure to grind to a coarse consistency, not a very smooth consistency. This is how it should look. At this point, taste to check salt. Add a bit of water or oil in your palm and start making small balls. I did not add any flour. The mixture is going to be a bit wet and tricky to form desired shape. You may add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or besan, chickpea flour, if you are unable to bind. Also try keeping it in the fridge for an hour. These are some small tips. As you see, I'm able to form small ball shape directly from the ground mix. I like how it turned out and I'm able to form the shape. It's time to air fry. Preheat the air fryer, spray the basket with oil. Carefully place each falafel inside the basket. The dough is going to be a little wet. don't worry, the air fryer will take care of it. For a closer look, see how it looks in slow motion. I'm so pleased the way it turned out. Now let's air fry for 10 minutes under 380 Fahrenheit. I use Gourmet air fryer. Each air fryer setting is different. After 10 minutes, it's still going to be soft, so don't try to lift it right away. Spray a bit of oil on top and then carefully check if you're curious. Be very gentle as you handle the falafel halfway through, otherwise it can break. See how they are turning out? They seem to be okay, not breaking. Now air fry for 10 more minutes under 380 Fahrenheit. In the meantime, I'm keeping the serving platter ready. Alright, let's see how they turned out. These look gorgeous, cooked through well. This is going to be very light, so be gentle while picking up. Now plate it and serve it hot. You can have it in pita bread or flat bread. Today I'm having it with paratha I made. I'm going to quickly use it as a wrap. You can see how fluffy and light it's inside. So yummy, beautiful, crispy from outside and fluffy from inside. This is how I'm eating as a meal on a flatbread or paratha. Add yogurt, hummus or anything of your choice. Place falafel on top. Without deep frying and without much oil, these turned out great. Add mini sweet peppers on top and hot sriracha sauce for an extra kick. Wrap the paratha and enjoy it hot. The texture of falafel is soft and also great for those elderly parents or toddlers who are looking for soft food with some yummy flavors.
Have it as a snack, make sandwiches, make wraps, or just use it as a side dish. You're going to love it. I had it with kalonji paratha. I used that as a flatbread and I made it as a wrap and I had it. It was absolutely delicious. So if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Stay tuned for another exciting recipe and don't forget to shine with Shobs.